Have you ever considered earning money while watching YouTube videos? Well, I have some exciting news for you. According to a worldwide survey released in February 2023, people are watching an average of 17 hours of online video per week, or around 84 minutes worth of videos every single day. However, most viewers don't receive any compensation for their time. But don't worry, I have discovered a genuine method for earning money online while watching YouTube videos, and the best part is that it requires no investment and can be done using just your mobile phone. So, let's dive into the details. First, head over to Scoring Click. As you can see, this is their homepage. Click on the Sign Up button and log in with your Google account. It's best to create a new account instead of using your personal account, but the choice is yours. Afterward, you'll be taken to the user dashboard, where you'll find all your data to earn money through this website. Click on the Earn button, and you'll be presented with multiple ways to earn. The first method is by watching YouTube videos, which gives you 30 to 90 coins depending on the video. In just a moment, I will explain how many scorings are worth $1. The second method is more powerful. You simply need to post on Facebook, sign up, or install apps, and you'll be paid 10 to 10,000 coins for each task. Finally, there's a referral system. Let's begin earning with the first method by clicking here. A new window will appear, and all you need to do is click on Start, and a video will play. You can either watch the video or let it run in the background while you do other tasks, such as watching movies or playing games. For the second method, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to log in with your Google account. This is why I suggested creating a new Google account earlier. After completing your personal details and confirming your email, navigate to the task section on the left-hand side. You'll find various tasks here that can be completed to earn money, such as signing up for a website that offers 7,350 coins, downloading and signing up for an app, or subscribing to a YouTube channel and then watching, liking, and commenting on 2 of its videos. Overall, earning money while watching YouTube videos is a genuine method, and the website Scoring Click provides an excellent platform to get started. With no investment required and the ability to earn using just your mobile phone, what are you waiting for? Start earning today. You have the potential to earn a substantial amount of scones with this new account, and I created it specifically to demonstrate the entire process. As you may have seen at the beginning of the video, I have already used this website and received payment. Let me quickly log into my account to show you. I have earned over 46,000 coins, which I converted to Bitcoin and then exchanged for PayPal funds using bestchange.com. Since Scoring Click does not offer PayPal payouts, this is a viable alternative. Don't worry, there are numerous videos on YouTube that explain this process. Now let's discuss the coin-to-dollar conversion rate. This rate varies depending on your location and can even differ between states. In my case, 100 scones are equal to $1. However, your conversion rate may be different, perhaps 50 coins for $1, or, in the worst case, 1,000 coins for $1. Earning money while watching YouTube videos might sound too good to be true, but it's possible with Scoring Click. Imagine using your free time to generate some extra income while enjoying your favorite content. It's a win-win situation. The referral system on Scoring Click presents another fantastic opportunity to boost your earnings by inviting friends and family to join. By successfully referring others, you will earn a commission and create a passive income stream that grows over time. Consistency is key, so dedicate time every day to watch videos and complete tasks to increase your earnings. Moving on to the second website, it pays you to watch YouTube videos, listen to music, search on Google, and complete simple tasks. It's free to join and available worldwide, with fast payouts through PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, or crypto. To start earning, register for a free account by clicking the Registration for Free button and enter your email and password. Once you log in, go to the Members area to start completing offers for money. Different offers are available daily, some of which pay you to watch videos or search on Google. Today's first offer pays $13.25 for signing up for a Canva Pro free trial. Simply click on Start Now, sign up for a Canva account, and start the free trial to complete the offer. Afterward, wait for a few minutes for the task to be reviewed before completing more offers. Another offer is to watch a free 1-hour Skillshare course and earn $10.35. Just click on Start Now, register an account, and watch the entire course to be credited. Remember to watch the entire course to receive payment. To earn money from this website, you need to play the videos for at least an hour, and cheating is not allowed. Once you finish one offer, you can move on to the next one until you complete all the tasks for the day. You can come back the next day to earn more. The referral program is another way to earn money. You can earn $2 for every person you refer, as long as they complete at least one offer. You can share your referral link with your friends and family and ask them to sign up for a free account. If you refer 10 people, you can earn an extra $20. You can also create a video to promote this website and earn passive income. If your video gets 5,000 views, at least 1,000 people may sign up through your link, resulting in over $2,000 in profits. To withdraw your earnings, you need to complete a minimum of 2 offers and earn at least $20. You can withdraw your money using PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, or crypto. Most of the offers are available worldwide, but some offers like those for Netflix or Google are only available to US residents. If some offers are not available to you, it might be because you're not in the US. However, there are still enough tasks available for anyone to make a decent income on this platform, no matter where they're coming from. The website is Cashendin.com. Overall, this website is one of the best money-making apps out there, considering how easy the tasks are and how generous the payouts are, as long as you complete the offers correctly and don't cheat. Let me know your thoughts about this website in the comments below. That's all for now. I hope you found this video valuable. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.